So, we just got interrupted. But as I was saying, yeah, you guys don't need to spend a lot of money on, oops. Yeah, where? So yeah, you guys don't need to spend a lot of money on these detail brushes, because you guys can just go get some paintbrushes, and the paintbrushes work just as fine. As you guys can see, I'm not working in big areas, okay? Those small areas, and you guys will see once I'm finished in product, it's gonna look very good because I'm not working in big areas. I'm only working in small areas, guys, small areas. No big areas. Yeah, no big areas. So the main thing, I'm just making sure I hit everything, and I don't miss anything. I don't want to miss anything, because I don't want to be doing this again no time soon. Come in there. Another one time. Yeah, I guess I could have did a time lapse for you guys, but I don't know. I don't think this is gonna take that long. But then again, I could be wrong. My last video was what, 40 minutes or something like that. I wasn't planning on it being 40 minutes. I hope this isn't a 40-minute video. Yeah. I'm just taking my time, guys. I'm not in a rush. Don't rush yourselves. You're doing a job like this, just take your time. Take your time. Probably spraying way more than I need to, but it's fine. If I gotta get some more, I gotta get some more, but yeah, also this is my first time using this product. I think that's another thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be trying a lot of different products. I know some products may work this way and some products may work that way, but I'm gonna experiment and find what I like. Uh-oh, guys. I just lost the, oh, that's not good. Well, I lost one of those barcodes. Hopefully I don't need it for anything, because that's it's gone. Hopefully it's underneath the car or something, but it's gone. I was gonna say before I drop that, dang, I forgot what I was gonna say, guys. Totally just forgot. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one pass. Yeah, I'm gonna do one pass. And I'm gonna come back on the second pass. Cause if I try to do everything on the first pass, I'll be here way too long. So I'll see what I can get on the first pass. And then I know what I need to focus on the second one. Cause then I'll be able to see all the dirty areas. I know this would be a hell of a lot easier if I use some type of water source, but I'm doing it by hand. You know, some people, they may not have access to, you know, everything. So them watching this and seeing me do it and seeing the end result, hopefully somebody that's watching it, they could feel like, oh, I could do that. You know, I hope that's the response or reaction I get from somebody that watches this. And then again, you know, you don't have to have a Camaro. You know, you can have any kind of car. You can do this on any engine bay. Any engine bay, you can do this. Hear that, guys? On any engine bay, no matter what kind of car you guys got out there. That's any engine bay. Alright. Now, one thing I am noticing is this stuff is drying up pretty quick. Now, I did just dry my car, so it could be a little warm, but I don't know. I would probably have preferred to have done this on a cold engine, so that way I don't have to worry about premature drying of the chemical before I can actually work it in and, you know, get it to do its job. And as you guys seen, at first I was spraying the paintbrush with the chemical, but now I'm just spraying it directly on the surface. I mean, I think there are some applications where it probably calls to spray it on your, you know, your tool or whatever you're using, you know, whether you're using a rag, a paintbrush, or whatever. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I look really lazy doing this, and that's why I'm just doing a lazy job, just to show you guys how good it's gonna come out at the end. Real nice, easy, lazy job. Somebody might be out there saying, why are you doing a lazy job, man? You can take your time, and I don't want to do that. I'm not. I don't want to do it, and I'm not gonna do it. I will be satisfied with my lazy man's engine bay clean. And, you know, I think that's what I might call it too, lazy man engine bay clean. I might call this video, Lazy Man Engine Bay Clean. And like I said, these spray bottles are nice. I'm probably, yet again, like I said, spraying too much chemical. you know, definitely not gonna hurt it. And like I said, it's my first time using the chemical, so I'm gonna see what it can do. Let's test it out. And as you guys see, I'm like not even really like paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm just hitting it, bro. I'm not trying to be like super methodical about it. Like, let me focus on, let me do it this way. Oh man, just gonna spray it, hit it, and be done with it. Spray it, hit it, be done with it. Now, I don't know if you guys can catch that, but some of the bristles are flying off as I'm, using it. That's totally fine. It's $1 paintbrush, I'm not gonna expect much because it was $1. Maybe if it was high end, maybe, but at the same time, you're not using it to paint. You're using it for something else, so I don't think a paint bristle floating around in my engine bay should damage anything. I've seen people ride around with insects and all different types of stuff in the engine bay, so I don't think that'll hurt me. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Oh man, just look at that. You can just see the difference. It's like night and day difference from the front half to the back half. That's just on the first pass. We still got a whole second pass to go. I'm gonna do 2 passes for you guys. First pass and a 2 pass. So that way you guys can see, well, if I just do it one time, I can expect these results, and if I take a little extra time, I get these results. Or what if you only have enough time to, only do so much? Or if you can only do so much, now you know what kind of results you can expect from it. And I forgot to put the flash on for you guys on this video. Again, my bad. I hope it comes out good. I don't know why I forgot to put the flash on this time. That was just a mistake. Last time I did it on purpose, but this time was a mistake. I just totally forgot to put the flash on. Hopefully you guys forgive me for not having the flash on. I'm sorry, guys. I think I might need to do my valve covers, because my passenger side is a lot more dirty than my driver's side. I don't see no oil, it's just like dirt on the top. So I don't know what that could be. It's just right on the top of the valve cover, it's nothing major. I would just like to know what's causing it. I'm not doing that major. I'm just spraying, hitting it, and wiping it up. If I can't get it that good, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm not gonna worry about it if I can't get that good. Like I said, just coming in here, spraying it, hitting it with the paintbrush. That's it. And hitting them with the paintbrush. And see, this is just my first pass, you know, or not first pass, but first time. So it'll be so clean from this point on, and then, you know, I do my second pass, then it'll be, you know, that clean from that point on. But point being is, the more often I do this, the better it's gonna get. So if I do this, let's say I do this again next month. Well, next month it's not gonna be nowhere near. Whoops. Yeah, next month it's not gonna be nowhere near, you know, as bad as it was this first time. So, you know, the second time it's gonna hit that second time. And then that third time, that'll for sure let us know where we at that third time. Hey man, swiping it down, hitting it. So I guess while I'm sitting here, I could be telling you guys, oh, don't knock the phone down. So while I'm sitting here, I could be telling you guys some things. So let's see, what's the next thing I want to do for you guys? Oh yeah, I said I was gonna do an oil change. So yeah, I'm take the car, get an oil change. I don't know what, oh no, tomorrow I said I was gonna get the coolant, right? Yeah, I was gonna get the coolant, so, yeah, like I said, I might show you guys, I put the coolant in. I mean, I'm just pouring liquid in the reservoir. I don't know if you guys really wanna see. I'm just pouring liquid in the reservoir. Do, and I will put. I want to get some compressed air. That's what I want to get, some compressed air, and blow this. Get all this stuff. Yeah, we'll just hit this side one last time, and then we'll work our way back to the middle. Oops. And that's pretty much all I gotta do. I just spray it, agitate it with the brush. Just make sure the brush is touching pretty much everything. Because the crystals are gonna do its job. Make sure it hits everything pretty much. Shove it in there. That's all I'm doing. I'm not even really like actually trying to move it or get the dirt off. I'm just kind of shoving it in places. Because the chemical is going to do its job. I'm just agitating the chemical to make the chemical reaction happen on the dirt. Chemical's gonna do its job. That's cool. That's like some sort of bracket on that. So what I want to show you guys is You see this like caked up piece of, it's like a caked up piece of dirt. It's just caked up. Just watch how it gets destroyed. Dang, look at that stuff. It's just eating it away with every spray. Look at that. It's gone, guys. Dang, I hope that comes out on camera. It's crazy. It just really knocked that stuff right up out of there. No problem. I'm gonna have to look at some people's engine bays on these cars to see what their wiring and stuff like that looks like. So I'm pretty sure there's a way you could clean up this engine bay. And all the motor swaps and stuff that's been done to these motors. Pretty sure there's a better way to get this so it looks a lot cleaner. Ooh. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. That looks so good. Makes me almost not want to do a second pass. I'm gonna do a quick second pass. I think my second pass, I'm gonna just spray the rag and just wipe everything. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna just, on the second pass, I'm gonna just spray the rag, guys. And I'm gonna just, wipe everything down with the rag. So, that's what I'm gonna do on this one. Not trying to get it too soaked. Don't want it too soaked. I just want it a little wet. So it's basically just collecting all the dust, you know? Whatever dust is left over. Some of you guys are probably like, well, you didn't even touch the engine yet. You just wiped all the way around. Well, like I said, this is just getting all the dust up, and the rest of the car needed to get hit anyways. I mean, not the rest of the car, but the rest of the engine bay. While I'm at it, might as well just handle it. come back that way, and I get that side, okay? I mean, I get that side. I'm gonna come back that way, and then I'm gonna get the engine bay. That's what I meant to say. Come back that way and get the engine bay. Or engine, motor, whatever you wanna call it. So, right now you can't really see, but I'm just hitting not the firewall, but the part that's like right at the top where your windshield wipers goes and all that. Just wiping all that. And yeah. Got all that wiped. Now that side is pretty dirty. So I'll switch to the other side. That stuff is strong. But yeah, come back on the other side. I just sprayed it 5 times. Get it pretty damp with the stuff. I just come back. And I might be wiping it, I might not. I don't really care. I'm just shoving it. Shoving it and dragging it across, letting the microfiber do its job. Shoving it, wiping it across, letting the microfiber do its job. I think it would be cool to have, I think those are MSD coil packs, the red ones. I think that would be cool to have. I don't know if you really get any performance from changing those alone. But I think I want them just for the look. I think that would look pretty cool with red. Jeez, red ignition. Oh no, I just bumped the camera, guys. Red ignition coils and red spark plug wires on this, I think will look pretty nice. Just wiping off the brake, where the brake fluid goes, brake reservoir. There's some stuff around that. Get that completely wiped clean. Let's see, what else? So I definitely got this stuff on the front end of my car. Not even on purpose. I just seen it overspray just hit the front end of my car. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my paint. If it does, so what? I mean, eventually this car will get wrapped or painted. I'm not sure. One of the two. I don't know how long wraps last. I know paint lasts a very long time, especially if you take care of it. But I don't know how long wrap lasts. And I just did it again, guys. Another sticker barcode ripped off. I really hope those things don't mean anything. I really hope they don't mean anything. Alrighty, that is, I think that is everything, guys. If it's not everything, I tried to touch everything. I don't know what that noise was. I hope it was just something getting snatched, caught up on something. I'm scared. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm not gonna go over it a third time. I think 2 is definitely enough. Yeah, I think 2 is definitely enough, guys. As you see, I'm up here, up in the top of my hood, or underside of my hood. Some people probably don't even wipe these things. You wipe your engine bay, but you forget about the hood. I just think about all that, because I mean, I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna be like, man, why didn't I? I'm like, everything else, I did my best. I'll be confused. Just trying to come through and just wipe everything. If I can at least touch it, maybe that'll help keep some of the dirt off, or knock off some of the dirt, whatever. Not keep it off, but knock off some of the dirt. That's what I meant to say. One thing, I got these towels super dirty. This is a dirty engine bay. That's for sure. Ooh. Yes, sir. So once I finish wiping this hood down, guys, I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the Lazy Man wipe down. We will see what a Lazy Man wipe down looks like. It says here I have a 2010 6.2 liter gasoline. Oh my goodness, I'm at almost another hour again, guys. I wasn't trying to make this another hour video. We got 2 hour-long videos back to back. It's not trying to do that. Let's wrap this up. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I was just putting something in the trunk. Alrighty, so here we are with the finished product. Give me 1 second while I move this camera real quick, so that way I can really give you guys a good angle, because holding my thing like that it's not gonna come out really well. So here we are. All right, so I switched my position for you guys so that way I could walk around and show you guys easier. But here we have it, guys. Man, I don't know what, I can't wait to watch this to see what it looked like at first compared to now, because now, man, that looks, dude. But you can see like the little part that I missed. See, that's what I mean. Like, that's what I hate. Like, you see everything else looks clean, right? Like, that's fabric right there, so you can't clean that. That's fabric, so you can't clean that. So that looks off on camera, right? But right there, that's dirty. Right there, that's dirty. That's where I miss. Right there, that's dirty. Right there, that's dirty. Right there, that's dirty. Right there, that's dirty. And then all that is dirty, because I just wiped it. I didn't hit it with the paintbrush. I didn't even touch that spot. Like I said, lazy man. And I only one pass with the paintbrush, and then I wiped it down with the cleaner. Where's that degreaser? No, that's degreaser, my bad. That was degreaser. So I think that's why it worked so well too. But yeah, man, jeez, just this. It came out looking so. As you see, I got my phone plugged in because my phone's about to die before I made the video, and I said, well, I want to make this video, so let me get this out here for you guys. But yeah, if you can't see that, I don't have my flash on. If I had my flash on, this will look so much better on camera, guys. But I'm trying to get us a focus. But yeah, it's still a little dirty. Like I said, it's the engine bay. It doesn't have to be 100% clean. It is still gonna get dirty. And that was only with, a hand. So imagine if I could have sprayed the whole engine bay down with that degreaser and then came right behind it with a garden hose. So I might do that and see if I get any better results. Just a quick engine bay wash. Nothing major, just spray it down with the degreaser and then spray it with the water hose. I'm not gonna use a paintbrush if I do that. Just to see what results I come out with. And I'll definitely make a video for you guys to show you guys that. But as of right now, I think I'm gonna end this video because it is almost an hour long again. So I want to say thank you guys for tuning in, watching my Lazy Man engine bay clean video. And I would appreciate it if you guys like the video. Give it a comment, just say, hey, you took too long on the video, or I liked how it came out at the end. How did you do something? What product did you use? anything, just ask me something. Put a comment down. I'm looking for engagement here with my subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway, but if the subscribers don't interact, then I can't really do a giveaway. The point of my giveaways are to grow my channel and to help you guys. So if you guys are watching the video, the giveaway will be done. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway at 100 subscribers, and I think I'm gonna do a giveaway every 100 subscribers until I reach 1,000. So yeah, so 100 subscriber giveaway on the way, guys. And I just hope you guys have a blessed day, wonderful day. Thank you, God, for blessing me again and giving me this opportunity to share this with you guys. And I will catch you guys on the next video. 2 fingers.